about DIY is because the normal trek that we go via the group, you have to stick to the timings, and also the tent and everything is prepared. So I wanted that experience of pitching down a tent, maintaining the timing. Let's see how challenging it is from start to end. Like, I also wanted to do treks on my own that are not part of Indiahikes as well. So to gain experience of how to trek on my own, I thought DIY is very good. Yeah, so the normal treks, all you have to focus on is completing the trek. Rest everything, stay, food, everything is taken care by the staff. So yeah, it was pretty easy actually. I would say it was. You can enjoy the trek. There's no need to worry about timing. You have to go and pitch the tent. You have to cook food and everything. So you can focus all your effort in the trek walking. Rest everything is already taken care of. But DIY, it was quite challenging. I would say it gives a different experience altogether. So we have to plan our timings. We'll have to calculate how long it will take to pitch the tent, and the sun is always, it maintains its time, right? So 6:30 it comes up, evening 6 o'clock it goes. So it doesn't wait for you. So it was very good experience.